Hi guys, so today I'm gonna vlog. I'm going to IKEA to buy like the last of my uni stuff. So I'm excited. I never managed to vlog my other trips because they were all way too stressful and it just would have been a mess. But I'm vlogging today, so hopefully I'll manage to get a lot of footage. And then at the end I will do a haul. So yeah, I'm also literally matching the IKEA sign. I didn't mean to do this. I don't know, I don't know. Maybe not right now, but at some point I need to get. Maybe outside. I just need to talk and say something.
Ooh, moody.
So I got two under-bed storage things. These things, that's all we have so far. It's not going well. Are you trying to say that you want to have a video? You have to stand at the side, never. No. So, we just went fucking pillow. We just went past the pillow bed and I don't know what pillow. Oh, that was funny.
Juliet, what are these?
What?
What are we walking past?
I'm not saying it.
Say it. Say it. Say it. Wugs. Ooh.
Oh, I was gonna...
Pink.
I kind of like this. I only have like one belt, so I'm
What is it?
It's a belt holder, right?
Oh, okay, no.
But I don't have that many belts.
Compliment.
I don't think I can get it.
No, yeah.
Goodbye. No. That's it. Yeah. But they're also cool. I like that. I like that, that's cool. I don't know what I should do. Almost done. I'm soaked. So we just finished at IKEA, now we're going to Primark. Right? Yeah. To get decorations. And I will film a haul later. Oh my gosh. So we're in Primark, but I'm not really seeing much. Also, this Primark has a cafe in it. I'm so confused. And I kind of want to look at jeans, but this is not the time. So we just went to Primark and I bought a hot water bottle and a pillow. However, I had a voucher and I was really stressed out at the checkout. And I couldn't find the voucher anyway, so I had to use my own money. So I'm really mad about it.
You don't seem mad.
I am. It was £10, so I bought £10 worth of McDonald's with the voucher. Just to make up. We got back from IKEA and we went to hand in CVs for Danny so that he can get a job. And I'm gonna have to, I can't. Stop!
No, you're okay.
We look really unhealthy though because we already had McDonald's today.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't. That was a lie. We didn't. And I'm gonna film the vlog.
This is water.
Tomorrow, maybe. So yeah, we'd update you. Now we're watching Grey's Anatomy as well. We're still only on season 11. That song.
I'm gonna have another burger.
So right now we're going to go to Asda. I actually already finished editing. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Finished editing.
Can you fucking spit out what you're trying to say? Sorry, YouTuber guidelines.
I've actually already finished editing this video.
No, you're not.
But it's not long enough. It's only like 5 minutes long. What I'm gonna do is we're going to Asda right now to get like notebooks and other uni stuff. I didn't put any makeup on, so this is why I look kind of off. I did actually already film a back to uni haul last year. Obviously I didn't end up going to uni last year.
I did.
I didn't end up
We're just ending the vlog here.
Okay, so I bought stuff and I lost all of it. And basically that's the end of the story.
It's a long story.
I don't know where any of it went. So we're going to Asda to get some new stuff.
No, we're not.
That's all. Yeah, I actually should get glasses, I think. So we've arrived at Asda.
No, we're not.
there's not a lot of stuff here. I'm disappointed. I have all my notebooks and stuff. It was very stressful. And now I'm gonna get some pens. I don't.
Do you not only have like 3 sets of pens?
Yeah. Okay. No, this won't do. Okay, so I actually had a really stressful time. I'm just gonna have to put it. I'm gonna film now what I got because I already filmed the other one and I can't remember it again. It was really hard because I was either gonna get 3 binders and then notebooks and then put all my nice notes in the binders, or just get 3 notebooks and not binders. But I went for a mixture. So the first thing I got was the post-it notes. I don't really think I'm going to use these that much, but I got them just in case. I got some highlighters. These are an essential. I already have a lot of pens. I'm hoping I've got like writing pens because I don't really think I do, but if I don't then I'll just buy some. Got some dividers. Oh, this is making me feel kind of sick. Yeah, I got some dividers. Except they don't have wee sticky labels for them. So. Then I got some paper to put in my binders. Like I'll write out all my nice notes onto normal paper and then put them in the binders. And then I'll just jot down like normal notes in my notebook. So I got 3 binders, 3 plain black binders. Yeah, they're just a bit plain and boring, but they didn't really have a good selection.
What?
Nothing, you're just funny. And then I got 3 notebooks. I got a blue one, which I will use for French. I got a pink one, which is going to be for film and TV. And then I got a green one, which is going to be for English. And these will be my like, just random notebooks. Hope you enjoyed this little portion of the vlog. And then now you will see me showing you the other stuff that I got from IKEA and Primark and stuff. So hope you enjoyed this bit. Bye. So it's a couple of days later. I thought I'd quickly just show you what I got from IKEA and Primark. But I already kind of showed the Primark stuff. So I'm going to start with Primark. I got this pillow. It's fluffy and grey. I'm not taking any of my throw pillows from home. So I needed some pillows to decorate my bed with. I was preferably looking for 2 pillows, but I could only find 1. I then got a hot water bottle. I don't want to take the one from home in case when I come home I need it. So I bought a new one. That's all I got from Primark, and you did already see that stuff. So now we're going to what I got from IKEA. I got this bowl. I felt like I needed a big bowl, so I got this. I then got this like storage thing. I was planning on putting makeup in here, but I don't really know if it's going to work that well. But it was really cheap, so I was like, because I need something for my makeup and I don't have anything so far, so I can at least use it for a while. I then got this underbed storage thing, except I only got 1 and I needed 2, so I'll probably have to go back. But yeah, I don't really think there's a lot of storage in uni hauls, and I have a lot of clothes. I then got a desk mirror. I do have a big mirror, but I thought that it was good to have a smaller one so I can like do my makeup and stuff. The last things I got are these like, what are these called? They're these things. Oh my god, they're literally like those. What are these called? Oh my god, I feel like I'm going crazy. Okay, I really can't think of the name of these. But like folder type things. They come in packs of 2 and I needed 3 of them, so I have a spare one. But I just thought I'd get like 1 for each subject and put all my like notes and stuff in it. So that's everything I got on that trip. If you want to see some of the other stuff I got, I already did upload a haul. So yeah, you can watch that if you want. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know I didn't really get like that much footage, I don't think, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I'll see you in my next video.